Germany is at a pivotal moment in its defense strategy. Friedrich Merz, the chancellor-to-be, is advocating for discussions with France and the UK about sharing nuclear weapons. This isn't just about deterrence, it's about Europe standing stronger together. Merz acknowledges the importance of the US nuclear shield, but emphasizes that Europe must also develop its own capabilities as a complement. With rising tensions and the threat from Russia, the urgency for a unified European defense is clear. Merz's proposals for increased defense spending, however, face hurdles, particularly from the Greens, who demand climate considerations in these plans. As Germany navigates these complex discussions, the balance between security and environmental responsibility will be crucial. The stakes are high, and the future of European defense hangs in the balance.